Hi guys, welcome to week one of our journey into artificial intelligence. In this first lesson, we're going to break down the big question of what exactly is AI. Before we jump into that, my name is Chooks and I'll be your tutor for this course. The purpose of this course is to help every individual to understand what AI is, as well as understand how to use language models in our day to day life and incorporate it into our activities, into our work, into whatever we do as professionals. All right, so what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence or AI is all about creating machines that can perform tasks that normally would require human intelligence or normally would require human effort. But these machines are to come into play and carry out all those tasks that human beings initially do perform, but take it upon themselves to perform it accurately and more effectively. Things like speech recognition, making decisions, solving problems, and all that. Now, let's take a quick trip through history and we'll look at the early days of AI. So, AI was rule based, and this is what you mean where you have to explicitly program the computer with instructions, where you have to tell it, do this, do this, do this. If X happens, then do Y. If this condition is met, then do this. That is rule based, where you have a structured rule in play that controls how the computer or the program behaves. Now, over time, we've moved into machine learning, where systems could learn patterns from data, they could learn behaviors, they could read patterns, and this makes them more intelligent day by day. Now, today, with deep learning and advanced models, we have AI that can generate human like languages, recognize faces, or even drive cars. So, like I said, this pattern recognition and this overtime learning from data can help make the artificial intelligence more intelligent. All right, so now there are two main types of AI. We have narrow AI, and this basically AI that is designed for a specific task. I believe most of us have our smartphones, and some of us use iPhones. So Siri is an example of a narrow AI. Our Google Maps is an example of narrow AI. For us that love watching Netflix, our Netflix recommendations are examples of narrow AI. Then we have what we call general AI. So general AI, this would be an AI that thinks and learns like a human across many areas. All right. On the stage of technology advancement, we're not there yet, but theoretically, we're heading to that point where we have a general AI. Now, chances are you already use AI daily without even realizing it. Like I mentioned earlier, we have the Google Maps navigation apps, we have YouTube, we have TikTok recommendations, Google search, even fraud detection when you make use of your bank cards are all different ways where we interact and apply our daily interactions with artificial intelligence. Now, finally, I would like to clear up some misconceptions about AI, and this is AI is not conscious. AI doesn't want anything, and no, it's not about to replace human beings because you hear people talking about what AI wants to do and what AI doesn't want to do. AI doesn't want anything from humans. All right. AI is just a tool, a very powerful tool that we need to understand and use wisely. So that's it for the foundation. And in our next lesson, we looked into very special classes of AI that's changing the world currently. And that's what we call the large language models, or you can call it LLMs. Thank you very much.